Hello everyone, welcome to online session BSc 4th semester session first. Topic: optical instrument, spherical and chromatic aberration in a lens. Learning objective: to know about the optical instrument, understand the application of optics. Session outcomes: the spherical and chromatic aberration in a lens, monochromatic and chromatic aberration, spherical aberration and its minimization. Prerequisites are optics, interference, diffraction, and polarization. Spherical and chromatic aberration in a lens. According to geometric optics, the image of a point object formed in a lens is a point image. In reality, the image of a point object is not a point image, but it is spread into the region in space, both along and perpendicular to the axis of the lens. The deviation of optical image in size, shape, and position formed by a lens is known as a aberration of optical image. The aberration of optical image is not due to any defect in the construction of the lens, but it is due to the reasons mentioned below. The reasons are the phenomenon of refraction in the lens and variation of refractive index of the material of a lens with the wavelength of the light. Monochromatic aberration. The aberration of optical image even when the monochromatic light is used is known as a monochromatic aberration. There are 5 types of monochromatic aberration. They are spherical aberration, coma, astigmatism, curvature of the field, and distortion. Chromatic aberration. Aberration of optical image formed in a lens due to the variation of refractive index with the wavelength of light is known as the chromatic aberration. Here we discussed about refractive index with the wavelength of the light. These two topics are important. In figure, marginal rays, paraxial rays, marginal rays. These and spread of image and point at A and B, IM and IP points are there. The rays of light from the distant object after passing through the lens at the marginal of the lens known as the marginal rays. These marginal rays converges at a point IM. This IM is close to the lens. Similarly, the rays of light passing through the region close to the axis is known as paraxial rays. These paraxial rays are converged at point IP, which is away from the lens. This results in an image that spread into a region from IM to IP. Here in figure AB, IM to IP along the axis and form A to B perpendicular to the axis. This defect of the image due to the rays passing through the different section of the lens even with the monochromatic light is known as the spherical aberration of the lens. The spread of the image along the axis dx is known as the longitudinal spherical aberration. The image formed at AB is a circle with least diameter, and at this position the best image is formed. This circle is called the circle of the least confusion. The radius of the circle of least confusion measures the lateral spherical aberration. Recap: spherical and chromatic aberration in lens, monochromatic and chromatic aberration, spherical aberration and its minimization. Questions: the aberration of optical image even when the monochromatic light is used is known as dash. Option A, monochromatic aberration. Dichromatic aberration, none of the above. Answer is monochromatic aberration. Aberration of optical image formed in a lens due to the variation of refractive index with the wavelength of the light is known as dash. The chromatic aberration, none of the above. Answer is chromatic aberration. Thank you.